Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosi's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So let's have some quick recipe today, and that's Angwamo. This is very delicious and then very easy to make, so stay tuned and let's get started. So let's begin with the rice. So in a pot I added coconut oil and then onion. So stir fry for a few minutes and then go ahead and add the secret ingredient in this recipe. That's the Toloo beef. Okay, it's going to give your rice that unique and local flavor, and then fry until it's golden brown. Okay, so after 10 minutes, this is how your onions and Toloo beef should look like. So go ahead and wash your rice and then add to the Toloo beef and onion and add salt to taste. Then I'll mix everything together, but don't add water yet. Cover and allow the Toloo beef and onion to infuse with the rice, and then you add water at this stage and then you cook. Okay, add as much as you want depending on how soft you want your rice. So once the water goes in, give it a really good mix and then cover and allow it to cook. So the next thing I'm going to do is some fried eggs or omelette. So I have 4 eggs, add salt and then mix everything together and add vegetables. I'm using tomatoes, scallions and then onions. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Once it's well mixed, add some oil to your frying pan and then fry, just like simple way of making your omelette or fried egg for breakfast. As simple as that. So once the other side brown, you turn it over and then you allow the other side to brown or cook. Once it's ready, put it in a plate and then set it aside. So this is the rice after 10 minutes. So I'll just give it a quick mix and then cover again and allow it to cook on a low heat. So the next thing to prep is the sauce for the Angwamo. So in a blender I added onion, tomatoes and then chilies, and then I'll add some salt and seasoning cube. The seasoning cube is optional if you want. Then just blend and then put it in a bowl and set it aside. So at this point I'll check on the rice. Yes, oh my goodness, this smells so good, and then it's already done. So I'm just going to turn off the heat and then serve. But please make sure not to take out the coconut oil from this recipe, because it's going to take the flavor of this food to another level. So just dish your food in anything that you want, but I just feel like going local today, so let's do the Potoyowa things. Add your fried egg, some corned beef or sardine, anything that you prefer, and then some boiled egg, that kusiani meko things, you know. And then I'll add some sliced tomatoes, some sliced onions, and then some scallions. Yes, make it fancy and enjoy. Bring back that hot pepper sauce that you made, and then you're ready to enjoy your food. This smells so good and it tastes delicious. I really loved it. I know you will try this recipe. Thank you very much for watching this recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. To my new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. Take care. Bye.